Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to finalize the tutorials on the PHP login system for beginners. Okay, so we ended up here. We were able to log the user in using sessions. We use this login form to do that. Today I want us to create a navbar so that we can navigate through easily. Can navigate through the login, then sign up, and then log out easily with the navbar. Okay, so let's go to our browser. We're already on the browser. Let's go to the Bootstrap, and then we search here navbar. And you hit enter. Okay, if you hit enter, it will bring you to this page. Then you go through the navbars, the one that you prefer. You can select it. Okay, I think I'll go for the first one. So let me copy the first one. You can copy it from here. Okay, so copy it. Then you come to your project, and then you create a new file. Okay, you can name it any name you want, but I'll name it navbar.php. So let me click on it and paste the navbar that I copied from the Bootstrap here. After that, you have to link this file to the other pages. Okay, so let's come here above the container div. We can put our PHP syntax here. Okay, then we say include what? Include navbar.php. So let's copy this. Let's copy it and go to the log in the same place. Put it there. Then we go to the profile. Okay, profile. Let's put it below the, or let's say above the welcome to the profile page. Let's put it there. Okay, so we have linked all the pages with the navbar file. Okay, after that, let's refresh and see. Okay, when I refresh, you see the navbar here. Okay, so everything is working. Now I want the navbar to appear dark color. So to do that, let's go back to the navbar, and then on the first nav link or nav tag, let's say nav tag, this one, the nav tag, come here, and then you make a space there, and then you type data vs and then team. Okay, so data vs team, or data dash vs dash team, and this will be equal to dark. Dark. Just put this here and then refresh, and let's see. So as you can see, the navbar is appearing dark, which is very, very nice. Okay, now let's link our project with this default links here of the Bootstrap. So let's go to the navbar again, and then let's copy this. Let's copy this link, copy it, and then we name here to be login. Okay, and then the href, let's say login.php. okay, then let's come here, and then we tap sign up, and then the href, we type here sign up.php. okay, you can copy it again. It's already copied, so we can paste it, or we can copy it again. Okay, then we make here to be logout. Log out. Okay, then the href will be logout.php. We have already created this logout.php. okay, and I think we must also change here to be index.php, because we name our sign up page as index, so we must put index here. Okay, so when we refresh, you will see them here, the login, sign up, and then log out. When I click on the login, I'm on the page. Sign up, I'm on that page. Okay, then log out will also be there. Okay, so let's log in and see. So login, Gmail 1234, click login, then successfully login, then we are on the page. Okay, everything is working now. What I want to do is that when the user is logged in like this, I don't want to see the login and then the sign up again. I want them to vanish. I only want to see the logout. Okay, and when the user also log out, I don't want to see the logout again. I want to only see the login and then the sign up page. So, let's say tabs. Okay, so let's do that. It's not easy to do it in the PHP. So let's go to the navbar.php, and then our interest is in this links. Okay, this links. That's where our interest is. Okay, so let's come below the UL tag and we put our PHP codes there, and then we type if a set of what of super global variable session. Okay, session, we name the session Gmail. So let's go there. Let's go to the process.php, and as you can see, we have named the session Gmail. Okay, when the user is logged in, that's what we name the session. Okay, so when the user is logged in, the session is set. Okay, and if it happens like that, then we want to bring the logout. So let's go here, copy the logout, cut it, and put it here. So we want to only see the logout when it's set, when the session variable is set, when somebody has logged in. Before we can put the logout HTML syntax, we must break the PHP. Okay, and then we must put it there. As I'm saying, I'm using some extension, that's why mine is coming automatically. If yours is not coming automatically, please type. When I finish the tutorials, maybe I will do a separate videos on how to use some cool extensions of VS Code, as I said in the earlier video. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, if I do this and I refresh, the log out must go because the user is not set in. And if the user is set in, the user log in, then you can click, and now the logout is here. Okay, if the logout is here, the user log in, I don't want to see the sign up again. So let's do that one. So let's come to the else part. Else then I want to see this things. If the user is not logged in, then I want to see this. The same way, let's break the PHP. Break the PHP and then put the codes there. Put the codes there. Okay, so now let's refresh. Okay, everything is the same, but if I log out, or if I log in, okay, if I log in like this, then the logout is there. I don't see the login and then the sign up here. But when I log out, I see them, and then the logout too is gone. And this is what I want to do. Okay, so I think we are done with the tutorial. This is the ending of the first part of the tutorial. We are going to do the second part. The second part, we are going to learn how to do email verification, then password recovery, and then we're also going to do password reset. Okay, and then before we go, let me go to this place, the index.php. I want to make this password type to be password. Okay, password. Then here too, the type is password. So that when somebody is typing, that somebody at the back will not see the type of password the person is putting in there. Let's go to the login to the same thing. The password must be type password. Okay, so the second part of the video, I will do all that stuff. When someone is typing and it's showing dot dot and the person click on view, then whatever he has seen, whatever he has typed should be seen there. Okay, so that you can view your password you are typing and you can also hide it. Okay, all those stuffs will be available in the second part of the video. So let's end here, and if you have any doubt or any suggestion, you can put it in the comment section for me, then I'll respond and do a video for you. So see you in the second part. Thank you.